Gayatri, studying 4th standard, PUPSN Magadevi in Tirunelveli district. English. Think wisely. Read the story and answer the questions. The wooden toy. Mugund lived with his father in a village. The village was near the foothills of a mountain. Many wild animals lived in the mountain. They hunt the animals in the village. Mugund made dolls, Marapachi Bommai, out of dry wood. He learned this art from his grandfather. Everyone in the village liked his dolls. Thank you.